Hey friends, if you're using the task manager and you encounter the taskeng.exe which opens randomly on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now this is for the task scheduler engine. This is what it means. TA for task scheduler engine. So this is a legitimate Windows process, but still to be on the safer side, our first solution will be to check for malware on the system. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then go to MRT. Okay, it will need a few seconds to load it. Click on next, select full scan, click on next, and let it scan everything. So this is the first one, and the second one will be to install all updates on Windows, each and every one. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Make sure that all the updates are installed, each and every one of them. The last solution will be a clean boot, because see, this issue can be caused by third party programs. So to isolate this possibility, here's what we can do. We can search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and then go to system configuration, go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable or apply, OK, and then restart the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.